Hey guys, so I did a thing. Alright, so this is the Microsoft Surface Laptop 2. But that's not what I did. No, I did something crazier. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so I did a thing. I've decided that I'm going to try, once again, switching back away from Windows to macOS, which I've definitely run before. I've had several MacBooks in the past, iMac. And, when Apple announced the new M1 chips, I decided, those things are looking really, really impressive. And I've been curious for quite a while to check them out and see just how good they really are. And you know what? The equipment I've got, I have a Surface Laptop 2. I've got the 2017 iPad Pro 12.9 inch. And they're getting a little bit old, so it was probably time to start looking at a newer option. So here we are. This is the MacBook Air 2021. 2021, well 2020 I guess technically. And I decided not to go baseline. So I don't know if you can see that, but this is the 16 gig RAM, 1 terabyte storage option for the MacBook Air. I didn't want to go bare minimum because I know that I filled a lot of the space on my Surface Laptop 2, which was 256 gig. And I have some plans for this, so I definitely want it to be a bit future-proofed. That said, let's do an unboxing. Why not, right? See how this goes. Oh yeah, right away there I already screwed that up. Alrighty, so get this thing open. Eventually. Don't want to drop it. Alright, so here we go. Apple with the fantastic packaging as always. It's the space gray. Now, in the box comes the designed by Apple in California, the the USB-C to USB-C cable, and the AC adapter. Does still come with the MacBooks. It doesn't come with the iPhones anymore, which makes sense. If you're an iPhone user year after year, you don't need a new adapter. You kind of need one with your laptop. Oh, sorry. ASMR, anyone? Oh, she's pretty. So that is the space gray. I love space gray. Space gray anything, or matte black or matte gray is actually probably my preference for most of these kind of devices. But yeah, I'm going to hook everything up, start setting up, and we'll see how it goes from there. One other thing that I did pick up as well, just because, well, this is my first USB-C only device. I did pick up the Anker 7-in-2 USB-C hub. So on this, we have a fair bit of connectivity. You've got some you've got 2 USB-C ports, one with Lightning for power pass-through and for Lightning 3 support. Why do I keep saying Lightning? Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt support. And you've got 2 USB 3 USB-A ports, got a micro SD slot and a SD card slot, as well as HDMI out, which is going to be useful for me because I will be using an external monitor. My setup in the back there is actually dual monitor, and if you know about the M1s, you know that the M1 MacBooks cannot support 2 monitors natively, so that's one drawback that I already am facing, but again, I might have a plan for that. But yeah, let's open her up, see how she looks. Sure, everything should be good. Nice. The old classic sound is back. Didn't even have to press anything. As soon as I opened her up, we've got power. It's starting up. Oh, look at that. Already ready for setup. Well, let's see.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I'm in Canada. Oops. Hey, you know what's really cool too? The battery is almost fully charged. It's at like, I don't know, 80%, 90%. That's handy. I like that. Well, this is going to be a pretty quick setup.